friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS IoT PE3000G Discrete GPU. So friend, it is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core processor and up to 64 GB of DDR5 4800 MHz memory, and combining proven power design, guaranteed and fanless thermal performance, and superior physical and mechanical ruggedness. And PE3000G brings unprecedented longevity, computing power, flexibility, and reliability to AI computing at the edge, making it an ideal option for scenarios balancing client longevity and both GPU and CPU capabilities for Paramount. And friend, it pushes versatile edge AI interface application to business critical applications, and it is an ideal fit to accelerate edge AI interface in SWAP constrained applications such as machine vision in factory automation, outdoor surveillance system, and AI interface system for autonomous vehicles. And it is engineered with brand new power delivery design to accept a wide 8 to 48 volt range of DC inputs, along with built-in ignition control to handle in-vehicle requirements, and screw-locked I/O for rock-solid stability, and military-grade MILSTD810H SOC and vibration testing make it the perfect choice for AI interface system in autonomous vehicles. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.